Boy, I got a lot of heart and a lot of passion. God gave me all the strength, now my demons passing. I was starving for success like a nigga fasting. Know them demons lurking at me, I won't let them back in. I've been really working while they napping. Tell me why you can't be real with me, show your actions. I've been keeping it 1,000, you been keeping fractions. But I bet when I'ma blow, they be wanting back in. City going crazy, but I swear last year all these niggas didn't play me. Main moves got views, now they hate me. Got on, got big, now they rate me. I got 90 problems like Jay-Z, but I can never let the problem be a lady. Sunshine for the times it was rainy. Work too hard for niggas to go blame me. So I did it on my lonely. Lazy ass kid, had to get rid of the old me. Real recognize real, I never been a phony. Built from the mud, so I nigga don't like cozy. Cause old dogs swear that shit don't even seem right. Smart ass nigga, but his OG didn't lead right.